All right, if I'm subtracting fractions, I also still need a common denominator, which I notice here I don't have. And I can't just do 3 minus 2 and then 1/2 minus 3/4 because 1/2 is actually smaller than 3/4. So I'm going to go ahead and find my common denominator. 2, 4, 6, 4, 8. Oh, look, I already know it's going to be 4. But before I subtract these, I've got to turn them into improper fractions. So 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1, 7/2, minus, now I've got to turn 2 3/4 into improper. 4 times 2, 8, plus 3, 11/4. Now I use this common denominator that I just found. So blank fourths minus blank fourths. All right, when I'm looking at the two numbers that I'm dealing with, 11/4 already in fourths, just bringing that right on down. 7/2 is not in fourths, so I've got to change 7/2 into fourths. How do I get from 2 to 4? Well, 1, 2 times 2. Whatever I do to the bottom, got to do to the top. 7 times 2 is 14. This goes right there. A big mistake that I've seen a lot of 5th graders make is flip-flopping these and subtracting backwards, which we know we cannot do. Bigger number must go first. Even though it seems smaller here, when I change my denominator to be the same, I notice 14/4 is bigger. Now I can just subtract. 14 minus 11 leaves me with 3. Not just 3, 3/4. Cannot simplify that because it is not improper.